Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Toggle Track for beginners. So, the first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to sign up for an account. So you just have to open any of your web browser, then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Toggle Track. That's right. And then you also have a choice to download this application from Play Store or App Store. But currently, I'm just going to use the browser. Okay, and then I just have to tap on this one if you are using your laptop. Okay, and then after that, you have here the option to sign up for an account. Okay, so if you want to track your time for work, school, freelancing, or projects, then this one's for you. Okay, so it helps you to see where your time goes per task, project, or client. So this one is great for, again, freelancers, students, employees, and anyone who wants to be more productive. So you can use it on web, desktop, or mobile. Okay. So once you have logged in, you land on the dashboard. So this is your dashboard right here. So tap on the overview. That's right. And then right here, this looks intimidating at first, but it's actually very simple. Okay, so at the top, you'll see the time tracker bar. Okay, and then on the side, you'll see the projects and your report. So you have that right here. And then the main screen shows your time entry. So this is where all the magic happens. Okay, so here you can track your time, you can invite your teammates, and then you have this option right here to download the application. But yeah, let's just skip that part. Okay, so right here, this is your overview and this is your timer. Okay, so here you can prepare your first time entry. You just have to describe your work or your activities. I'm just going to skip this part as well. Okay, so here you can see here the date and the day of the week, and then you have here the time. So doing this makes it easier to analyze your data and reports. So you have that one right here. And then if you want to start your time today, so all you have to do is to simply tap on this one. Okay, now to start tracking your time, all you have to do is to click on the what are you working on field, type your task name like studying or editing video. So let me just close this one. Okay, so for example, this week, so we don't have any project for today. So all we have to do here is to tap on this one. If you want to make this manual mode, but if you want to select the if you want to change the manual mode to automatic, then you just have to tap on that option. Okay, so right here, for example, for today, so you just have to simply tap on this one. Okay, so you can copy the events and the entries right here. Now let's go to our report section. Okay, so right here you'll be able to see the summary of the report. You have here the detailed. Okay, you have your workload right here, the profitability, and my reports section. Now if you want to save and share your report, then all you have to do is to simply tap on this option that you can find here. Okay, now let's go to our project. Okay, now projects are fundamental for organizing your time entries by allocating time entries to specific projects. So you can gain clear insights and generate detailed reports or project progress and data. So to create a project, just simply tap on this one, and then for example, for this project, I'm just going to name this one as first task. Okay, and then I just have to invite here the name or email of your team member to invite them. Okay, and then for the access, I'm just going to select project manager and then tap on the create project. Okay, so you have that right here. Once they receive the email, then be able to start working on this project. Okay, so for the task, so you have to add here the task. For example, we would like to select our we have to type out right here the task that we want our team member to work on, and then I just have to select here the assignee. So in order for you to add the assignee, of course you have to add task name first. Okay, and then for the team, you'll be able to see here the teammate that's working on for this project. And then if you would like to add a new member or a new teammate to do this work, then I just have to tap on this one. Then again, I just have to type out their name or their email right here. Okay, so we are done with the projects. Now let's go to the clients. So right here, you can assign to your clients project to track the full scope of work for each client, so you can get more detailed reports and streamline your billing. So to create a client, just simply tap on this one, and then I just have to tap right here the name of our client. For example, I'm just going to Jana Lee, and then for the projects, so I'm just going to select the first task. That's right, and then I just have to tap on the create client. Okay, so the project or the teammate that you have assigned to do this work will be able to see this client's projects right here. Now for your members, so yeah, you just have to go to the admin console for this one to manage your team, or you can also tap on the invite members at the top, and then I just have to tap on right here the email address. Okay, so you can add one or more emails so that you can send the invitation at the same time. And then for the rule, so you have the member, analyst, workspace admin, and project lead. And for the project, so this one is optional, so I'm just going to skip that part. And then after that, you just have to tap on the invite option. And for the billable rates, what billable rates? Use billable rates to include the hourly rate of your work in your time tracking data. So the billable rates are great for billing or assessing the profitability. So we have for the workspace rate, workspace member rate, project rate, and etc. And if you're planning to, create your invoice, so track time, create invoice, and view and edit the invoice. So to create your invoice from reports, tap on this option at the top right. That's right, and then you'll be able to see it right here. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to simply tap on the save and share option. Okay, so for the report name, I'm just going to leave this one as it is, and for the description, this one is actually optional, so you can skip that part as well. Okay, and then going back here to our timer. Okay, so for example, you are now starting to work, and then of course you have to tap on this one option right here so that you will be recording the time that you are trying to work on that specific project. Okay, so again, to see how you spent your time, this one is very important. You just have to tap on the reports option. Okay, so you just have to go to the report section, and then just have to choose the date range for this one. So you have that one right here, and then just have to view your total hours per project or task. So this one will help you understand where your time really goes. Okay, so now you know the basics of the Toggle Track, tracking time, creating project, and checking the reports. Now if this tutorial helped you, please subscribe, like this video.